Don't make me laugh, because then I got to do it again. Okay, all right, ready? This is serious. Okay. All right, here, ready, set. What's up? Okay, we're gonna start working on rock to fakie practice and then into tail stall practice, and we're gonna build a rhythm so that we can help people get comfortable and confident with actually doing it on the coping. So if you're following along and you want to learn this with us, put some tape on the ramp and make sure it's probably about a foot under the coping on both sides. We happen to be in a 4.5 foot mini ramp, so for now let me see you start on the line. I even put a piece of tape here in the middle to help you stay straight, so that way you have a guide on the flat bottom, and then you also have a guide on the ramps as imaginary coping. Like that? Yep, just like that. Okay, good. There's the blue line, there's the board. Front foot goes up, give it a little push, and I want you to start your pumping. Good, start your rhythm. Now get comfortable with your pumping, nice and confident, nice and smooth. Okay, not too much, and make sure that you stay consistent. So keep your pumps consistent. That's the goal here. Good. Okay, keep going. And next, you're gonna start to push on the tail just a little bit. Come on, push on the tail just a little bit, and try to get your front wheels to come up. Exactly. Try to get your front wheels to come up just before you come to a stop. Perfect. Try that again. Good. Try that again. Big deep pump. Nice. Good. And for everybody learning with us, you need to pump up and into pushing on the tail. So notice she bends down gentle, and then she lifts her body weight up into pushing on the tail. Very good. Good. And she's controlling it so that she's trying not to hang up her wheels on the imaginary blue tape. Good. That's right. Now, bending down, pumping up into pushing on the tail, and landing gently into your pump out. So you're actually really good at this. And I knew you would be. Because I taught you how to skate. Oh my God. Yay! Yay! Woo! Yep. You gotta act a lot more excited than that, you know. All right, so look, you gotta act like skating's kind of fun. Now we're gonna practice tail stalls, and our tail stall exercise is going to be pumping fakie. And your goal for this is to lean your head forward and push back on the tail to tap your tail on the imaginary coping, which is our blue line. So let me see you start your pumping. Nah, you can do this. You can do this.
No, that's my downfall.
Okay, I'll give you a hand. Start on your blue line in the middle, and use that blue line that you put on the center to make sure you're staying straight if you need help with that. Okay, slow yourself down a lot. Izzy, slow yourself down. Good, good, that's it. Now just lean forward and push back and tap. That's it. A little bit more. Try it again. Keep your pumping. Don't lean back. For extra help with this, you need to have your feet matching on your skateboard, heels and toes matching. So look at her feet. Heels and toes are matching. That looks awesome. If you want extra help with this, you put your back foot in ollie position so you get more response when you push back on the tail. That way your board doesn't twist. So the balls of your back foot should be on the tip of the tail. Good, that's it. Try it again. Good. Okay, now start to push back harder. Try to get your tail to touch the ramp. Come on, a little bit more than that. Bigger pump. And pump up and into tapping, and then tuck into your pump out. You're doing awesome. Tap it. That's right. One more. Come on, touch the ramp. That's it. Good job. Come on, keep going. That's it. Working those tail stalls. Perfect. Bigger pump up, bigger press. Okay, now let's put them together. Good, and then lifting up on this side. That's right. And then pumping up and tap. Good, bending down, pumping up, lift into your press. Pumping up, tap. Almost. So notice, she bailed right there because she leaned her head back when she went for the tail stall. And that is the most common thing. So I can't reiterate this enough. make sure you lean forward as you push back and tuck down into your pump out. Hey, come on. You're doing awesome. Try it again. Another super important thing is this works best in anything over 4 feet, especially when you put the tape on the ramp. Anything smaller than 4 feet, it's a struggle because not only do you have to worry about the coping, but there's not enough transition to feel like a good, comfortable pump. So try to find yourself a ramp that's 4.5 feet or taller. Lifting up into your pump, snapping up into your tail stall. That was a good one. Keep it going. Good. And I want you to really feel as you tap the ramp that you tuck down into your pump out. That was really good right there. Try that again. So tap it and let your body weight sink down into your pump out. Same with when you push on the tail for your rock to fakie. I know this isn't a rock to fakie. We're just building our way up to consistency and confidence. Now look at that back foot. When you push on that tail, make sure that back foot's back a little further. Tip of the tail so you get more response. Good. Hey. Woo! Yeah! You're supposed to be running at the camera like this is the greatest day of my life. The best time I ever had.
Yeah. Yay!
Woo!
Ah!
Now, can you go higher? Can you do it on the coping?
No.
Come on, try it.
No.
Why not?
No.
Why not?
No.
Yeah, you can.
No.
Do it.
No.
Do it. All right, she's going higher. Oh, keep it going.
No, I'm not doing
Come on, yes you are, look. A little bit higher, come on, bigger pump. Hey, that's it. Just practice your rock. Try to get your wheels over to coping. Good, this is the next level. That's right. Now we're starting to build confidence in holding the manual so that the wheels go over the coping and you land into your pump. So pump up into pressing on the tail. Let your body lean back just a tiny little bit to help you balance. And then touch your front wheels down into your pump. That's it. Now I'm gonna demonstrate, okay? Practicing our pumping back and forth. And the goal for this, after you do what Izzy just did, then I'm gonna start to do it so my front wheels lift up over the coping, and then I start to do my tail stall tapping the coping. When I start back just like this, so that I have room to get a good push, bend down and throw my body weight up into my first pump. Big push, bend down, really lift up as hard as I can and into my pump. Okay? Then I get my feet set. Heels and toes matching. And I prefer to have my back foot on the tip of the tail a little more for more response. Notice how much I lean forward when I push back into my tail stall. Then, as you build confidence, then you get the front wheels over and back again. Just tap it quick and tail stall. And front wheels over and back again. And tail stall. Okay? All right, here we are. 3.5 foot mini ramp. Continue your pumping and work to get your tail stall to tap the coping. Just barely.
Tail stall or the thingy?
Yeah, we're gonna do both. That's it. That's it. See? Keep that going. Keep that going.
I'm having trouble because it goes too fast, so I have to do that one, then think about going down, then going over here, then think about going to this one.
So you feel rushed?
Yes.
Okay, so that's what I was saying. Break it down into 2 tricks, okay?
I know, but with the height of this one, then I have the same height to go.
Exactly, so this is what I'm talking about. That's why I'm trying to teach this together.
Yeah.
So that's why I teach it under the coping first, because it's like a swing set. It's a pendulum. So once you go a certain height on one side, you're guaranteed to go up to the other side until you start to build a better understanding of how to pump. And you can pump a little harder on one side and pull it off. So for now, push and pump Push and pump, and try just to get your front wheels above the coping just on this side. If you don't get them above the coping, that's okay, but try to keep a nice smooth rhythm. Good. That's right. That's it. Awesome. Perfect. Really pump hard out of your tail stall side and then pump up and into pushing on the tail and into your pump out. Good. Everybody learning this, make sure you tuck into your pump out after you tail stall. Good. That's right. The important part of this is how to bail in case you panic. So I'm going to show you what to do if you have to bail, especially with tail stall. If your back wheels go over the coping, you need to tuck down and drop straight into a knee slide or lean your head forward and run off. So look, start your pumping rhythm. Tail stall, rock up, tail stall, rock up. If you rock and catch, you got to jump off quick, okay? You have to be fast and you have to go with the fall, okay? Next, tail stall. If you pump up too much and lean forward too much, your back wheels will go over and you'll have to lean forward and run out. Okay? That's my best attempt at faking a bail from a tail stall. So, but that's pretty much what's gonna happen here. So, remember to go with the fall and relax and collapse into your knee slide. I highly recommend learning your knee slides. That's the best way to do this. Perfect. Hey. Awesome. And that's how to bail. Hey, that's it, that's it, that's it. Awesome bail. Yeah.
So I'm gonna fall in?
Now, let me see you rock the fakie.
No.
You can do it.
No,
I know you can do it.
Nope.
Don't lie to the world.
Nope.
We all want to see you do it.
I can lie to the world.
We want to see you succeed. All right, you gonna rock the fakie over the coping?
No.
Come on, do it.
Wait, how do I rock the fakie over the coping?
Remember.
Wait, up, then down, and across?
Yeah, just get your wheels over and then push on the tail and then into your pump out.
No.
You can totally do it.
That's not happening.
You can totally do it.
No.
Yes,
I'm
you
gonna
can.
hook and I'm gonna fall.
Nah, maybe.
Maybe.
I said nah, maybe. I'm gonna say no. I think you can make it. I think you can do it easier than you think.
I'm not.
Come on, you can do this. Ah, that's it. You could totally do it. Good. What the heck was that? What happened?
Oh no, I'm hurt. Can't do it anymore. Darn.
Don't even act like you didn't make it. All right, back on the horse. Try it again.
No.
Hey, you can do this by yourself. Do one.
No.
Come on, people want to see one.
No.
I've been waiting all week to see you.
Do it for the world.
No, I'm not doing it.
It's only going to be like 3,000 people to watch you do this. Don't worry. Come on, get those wheels to go up and over the edge. Okay, I'll catch you if you need. Just pump up.
No, 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 no.
Ah, you just had it and
No,
then you
no, no.
changed your mind. Rock the fakie time.
No.
Stay relaxed, find your rhythm. Good. Big pump up. That's it. Yeah.
Oh.
Awesome. That's the beginning. Woo! All right, right here. Yeah. Do it again. That's right. Keep it going. Nice and relaxed. Hey, awesome job today. Thank you so much. Seriously.
Yeah, I know. my pleasure being here. It's great to help the community out.
All right, right here.